Together AI is an AI acceleration cloud. We allow companies, developers, enterprises to run the full generative AI lifecycle, from training models to fine-tuning them to serving them at large scale and at very high performance and cost efficiency.
We are truly full stack, from hardware to software to services. We build our own GPU kernels, we build our own software for managed Slurm clusters, and we offer services for customers who actually need our services to help build their models. We've gotten to the point where a new model comes out and 24 hours later, it's running in our platform with all of our latest optimizations, all of our latest innovations for anybody to use.
The challenges with GPU computing and doing it at scale is that there are a lot of components. It's not just the chips.
You're talking like thousands of GPUs, miles of fiber optic cables, very complicated networking, and lots of power.
This is just very different from what we've done in cloud computing over the last 20 years, and it really requires a new approach.
So Hypertech is a family business that's been around since '84, and we've been in the space of high-performance computing for a long time, almost 25 years now. To get the max performance, you need to push these systems to the limit, maybe beyond. It's not only about setting it up, it's about testing it so you can actually get the performance and output you need for AI workloads. So it's very sensitive, it breaks a lot, but it's worth what you get out of it, so long as you know how to deal with it.
We approached Hypertech, I believe it was almost a year ago. We needed 2,000 chips AI cluster to be up and running in a month. Everyone else was giving us 6 months, 8 months dates, and Jonathan was like, I can do it.
What they were asking for specifically was relatively new, and the speed at which they were asking for was unheard of. I was very proud of how we were able to deliver this, not only on time and at a record speed, but with quality, with reliability, and the support levels they were expecting, which ended up serving as a foundation for our relationship.
They kept delivering on these clusters that we were building like over and over again. And that really had a huge impact on us and our customers and the ability for us to deliver on these AI models.
So, our relationship with Hypertech has really turned into a partnership. What we are now contemplating for this year is infrastructure at a much larger scale, 10 times, 30 times bigger.
AI grew way faster than we all expected last year. Large data center capacity was available, was eaten up, and now new capacity needs to be built. Capacity takes, on standard, 18 to 24 months to build. So you have a gap of 2025 and 2026 for data center capacity.
We have the chips, we have the software, we just don't know where to put these chips.
So the way we saw how we'd be able to solve the data center capacity issue was really finding the right platform that has the power available and combining it with our capabilities to convert that power into finished data center capacity for the largest AI users. And so we decided to acquire 5C Data Centers, which is a large data center platform in the US with over 2 gigawatts of capacity across 4 strategic markets. And a lot of that capacity is available in the next 2 years. It's combining that access to power with our ability to convert that power into finished data center capacity in 4 to 12 months, while others take 18 to 24 months.
It's really great news that Hypertech has acquired 5C, this incredible portfolio of data centers, which really is the most constrained resource right now. We can contemplate projects of any scale and have high level of confidence that they will be executed flawlessly, and we really don't have to worry about the data center and clusters part of this business.
Now we control the whole infra stack, and that allows us to accelerate the adoption of new cooling technologies, such as direct-to-chip liquid cooling and immersion, technologies that will actually lead to significant cost savings, power savings, reductions of carbon footprint, and enable some of the largest AI users through rapid deployment speeds, which is critical in the context of the current data center constraints we're facing. And I feel that we have a platform now to really have a meaningful impact on some of the largest AI companies out there.